If your workshop is constantly shifting around, the Rockler all-terrain mobile base will change your game. Designed for rough and smooth surfaces alike, it glides effortlessly over cracks, cords, and debris. Its adjustable frame fits a wide range of tools and equipment, making heavy machines mobile with zero strain. The foot-operated levers make it easy to lift or lower in seconds. Whether you're working inside the shop or rolling out into a job site, this base adapts to your space. Built with a rugged steel frame, it supports up to 800 pounds without flinching. Maneuverability meets brute strength here. Say goodbye to fixed stations, and say hello to flexibility on demand. Now, when it's time to pull stubborn nails without damaging your wood, turn to the ESTWING Pro Claw Nail Puller. Forged from a single piece of American steel, this beast is built for the long haul. Its slim claw slides deep under embedded nails, while the curved body gives maximum leverage. Whether you're remodeling, repurposing, or correcting mistakes, this tool is the go-to for clean extraction. The vinyl grip provides control and comfort even under tough pulls. Ideal for tight spaces and delicate finishes, it's powerful yet precise. It's the silent savior of every demo job. Lightweight, indestructible, and razor-efficient. A true puller's best friend. For layout and precision, the KAKURI wood marking gauge makes marking clean lines easier than ever. This Japanese hand tool delivers crisp, consistent scribe lines for mortises, tenons, and joints. The sharp blade cuts instead of scratches, preventing grain tear-out. The hardwood body feels natural in the hand while the brass fittings ensure durability. With adjustable depth and a locking screw, it stays true every time. It's a must for joinery that demands perfection. Whether you're building furniture or carving joinery, this tool brings heritage-grade precision. Compact, yet essential. And perfect for every serious woodworker's bench. After a full day of cutting, nothing revives your blades like the MICROJIG Blade Clean system. Designed to clean saw blades and router bits in under a minute, it uses a rotating tray and a special cleaner to restore sharpness and remove pitch. The included brush tackles stubborn buildup without harming the edges. With less gunk, your tools last longer and cut cleaner. The enclosed system keeps your workspace clean and chemical exposure minimal. Easy to use and store, it's an investment in tool longevity. You'll get smoother cuts, better accuracy, and a safer working environment. Cleaning has never felt this satisfying. When it comes to clamping smaller workpieces, the Jorgensen 4-inch bar clamp set offers tight control in a compact form. These clamps feature a strong steel bar and quick adjust trigger for one-handed use. Soft pads protect your workpiece while delivering firm, even pressure. Whether you're gluing trim, edge banding, or holding templates, these are the mini muscle you need. Lightweight yet tough, they're perfect for confined work areas or detailed assembly. With a 300-pound load limit, don't let the size fool you. These clamps punch above their weight class. Stackable, portable, and always ready to grip. Installing wood floors? The BESSEY AV2 wood floor spacer makes it a breeze to maintain perfect gaps. These clever spacers slide between boards and walls, adjusting from 5 to 20 millimeters to compensate for expansion. Unlike wedge spacers, they stay put and allow precise adjustment with a turn of the knob. Made of durable plastic, they're reusable and reliable through every flooring job. Great for hardwood, laminate, and vinyl installations. You'll get pro-level spacing with zero guesswork. These tools make consistency effortless. Faster installs, better results, every time. Painting cabinet doors or shelves? The Saker spray paint racks offer an efficient, mess-free solution. These foldable stands hold your panels vertically for both spraying and drying. With 360-degree access and no need for flipping, you'll get smoother coats and save loads of time. They collapse flat for easy storage, and setup takes less than a minute. Each rack is designed for stability and airflow, reducing overspray and drips. Perfect for pros and hobbyists alike. Turn your garage into a paint shop in seconds. A painter's secret weapon for high-quality finishes. Next, the ProGrip straight edge clamp ensures that every cut is laser accurate. With its aluminum rail and locking clamp, it acts as a reliable guide for circular saws, routers, and jigsaws. The built-in ruler means fewer measuring mistakes. It stays secure under pressure without marring your material. Available in various lengths, it's ideal for cabinets, plywood, and even drywall scoring. Easy to store and built for daily abuse. From layout to final pass, this tool delivers straight confidence, a straight edge you can trust every single time. Installing drawers just got easier with the FAITIO drawer front installation clamps. These stainless steel clamps hold drawer fronts in perfect alignment while you secure them from the inside. Fully adjustable to fit various drawer sizes, they eliminate the guesswork and frustration. The large knobs allow quick tightening, and the padded jaws protect delicate finishes. No more tilted fronts or misaligned faces. Save time and reduce rework on every cabinet job. Whether in the shop or on-site, these clamps are like having an extra pair of expert hands. Get flawless installs without the hassle. Need perfect corners every time? The ARTYMASTER. Corner clamps give you 90-degree precision during assembly. Made of high-strength plastic and stainless steel springs, they grip boards securely for framing, boxing, and picture-making. Ideal for woodworkers building furniture or shelves, these clamps hold tight without slipping. The V-shaped jaws accommodate various thicknesses. Lightweight and stackable, they're as portable as they are effective. Just clamp, glue, and screw without needing a second person. A game changer for any project requiring crisp right-angle joins. And when accuracy matters most, the Woodpeckers' Indexable joiners combination squares stand out with engineering precision. Featuring indexable heads that snap to known angles with zero play, these squares offer next-level layout confidence. Each unit is CNC machined and laser-etched for durability. The scribing guides are perfect for transferring measurements quickly and accurately. Whether setting up machinery or checking squareness, these are heirloom-grade tools. Built for those who demand absolute precision, perfectly square, in every sense. The Fastcap Tri Trimmer makes trimming edge banding effortless with its dual-sided blades. It handles both sides of your board in one pass for clean, flush edges. The spring-loaded body hugs contours and works smoothly on plywood, MDF, and more. Easy to control and safe to use, even on delicate materials. This small tool delivers professional finishes without sanding or scraping. Perfect for cabinetry, shelving, and decorative panels. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to deserve a permanent spot in your kit. If scribing around obstacles like pipes or uneven walls is your struggle, the U-Scribe Jig brings custom fits within reach. This clever device attaches to your panel and traces any shape directly, making complex cuts a breeze. No more guesswork, cardboard templates, or wasted material. It adjusts to irregular profiles and helps create perfect-fitting cabinets, kickboards, and trim. Made for speed and precision, it's like giving your panel eyes. Whether you're a pro or weekend woodworker, it saves time and delivers flawless results. Just clamp, trace, and cut. That's craftsmanship simplified. For compact cutting power, the Saker Mini multifunctional table saw brings big performance in a tiny footprint. Don't let its size fool you. This saw rips, crosscuts, and even bevels with impressive accuracy. Perfect for small shops or portable setups, it includes guide rails and a safety guard. Whether you're crafting small boxes or intricate models, this tool handles the job with ease. The adjustable blade height and angle ensure versatility. Built for precision and convenience. A mini saw with maximum potential for detail work. When transitions matter, the Küberit Easily Bendable Profile. 807 EB takes flooring finesse to a new level. Designed to bend and contour smoothly to curves and corners, it creates seamless floor transitions like no rigid profile can. Ideal for vinyl, laminate, or engineered wood, it adds a premium finish to every project. You can shape it by hand or tool, then install it without warping. It holds its form and elevates the look of your flooring. Whether it's a hallway arc or an open-plan curve, this trim is the flexible answer. Clean lines, smooth turns, effortlessly done. Need a finishing touch that tackles multiple tasks? The Trim Buddy Finish Work Multi-Tool is an all-in-one solution for spacers, scribes, reveals, and leveling. Designed for finish carpentry and trim installs, it eliminates the need to juggle shims and rulers. This compact helper holds casing in place, ensures even gaps, and helps align reveals on doors and windows. Made from durable plastic with built-in measuring marks, it's built to survive job site abuse. It's like a third hand for meticulous finish work. Get pro-level consistency without the stress. One tool, endless accuracy. Installing screw hooks in tight spaces? The Milescraft 1315 hook driver is your cordless solution to fast, perfect installs. It fits right into your drill or driver, gripping hook threads snugly for quick, straight driving. No more struggling with pliers or marring soft metal. The magnetic collar keeps the hook in place, preventing slips and spins. Great for organizing garages, closets, or hanging decor, this tool saves time and fingertips. Compatible with most hook sizes and hex shafts, a simple yet genius upgrade for everyday installs. Joinery doesn't have to be complicated, especially with the Rockler Beadlock Pro Jig with 3/8 kit. This system delivers the strength of mortise and tenon joints using a simple drilling jig. It creates interlocking beads that align perfectly with Rockler's beadlock tenons. With its guide blocks, depth stops, and precision setup, it's fast and reliable. Great for chairs, frames, or cabinetry, it adds pro-grade strength without the hassle of traditional mortises. Easy to set up and satisfying to use. For anyone looking to level up their joinery game. When smoothing tight spots or curved surfaces, the MicroLux Micro Sander offers unmatched control. Its compact design lets you sand into corners, curves, and detailed parts where full-size sanders fail. Ideal for small projects, models, and fine finishing, it features interchangeable pads and variable speed. This is detail sanding made elegant and efficient. From hobbyists to high-end finishers, it's a must-have tool that doesn't hog your workspace. Quiet, precise, and shockingly powerful for its size. It's the little sander that could. Finally, for aggressive surface prep and shaping, the Jealous Belt Sander with Dust Bag packs the power to take down rough stock fast. With variable speed and a wide sanding belt, it's perfect for leveling boards, removing paint, or prepping floors. The included dust bag keeps your work zone cleaner, while the ergonomic grip reduces fatigue on long jobs. It's sturdy, reliable, and ready to eat through hardwood like butter. Whether you're refinishing or shaping, this is the muscle you want on your bench. Smooth control meets raw power in one tool. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.